So I'm going to tell you why you're wrong today if you think that your parents would never disinherit you. If you receive a trust or will after a parent dies and you've been disinherited, it could be that there's grounds to try and overturn that trust or will if your parent lacked capacity or was the victim of undue influence. But a lot of times people would say to us, well, I know that my parent would never disinherit me. Well, that may be true, and it may be true that you know that, and it may even be a true statement, but it doesn't help you in a court of law. If you're going to go to court to overturn a trust or a will, you're going to have evidence of lack of capacity, evidence that somebody conducted undue influence on your parent. And that evidence cannot necessarily be you saying, I know my parent would never do this, because the law presumes that any document that's signed by your parent is valid. That's the starting point. So it becomes your burden to have to prove otherwise. You have the burden of proof. And that means you have to bring in evidence to court. So you better get to work. You have to do subpoenas, you have to do depositions, you have to do discovery. You have to go out there and find those witnesses and evidence that is going to help you assert your argument so that you can hopefully prevail on trying to get a bad trust or will overturned and receive your rightful inheritance. Albertson & Davidson is here to help you fight for your inheritance. Check out aldavlaw.com for our complete library of helpful legal videos and articles from your favorite California trust and will litigation law firm, Albertson & Davidson, LLP.